In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can actually style yoga pants, harem pants, from yoga class right into something that looks more evening-ish, more formal, or day wear, depending on what your occasion is. It is about that sustainability in your wardrobe, creating versatility in your wardrobe to make sure you are wearing everything in your wardrobe. No longer standing in front of your wardrobe with all these beautiful things in your wardrobe and then you say, I've got nothing to wear. Those days are behind you. If you want to continue watching my program, because I'm going to share with you how you can refashion your clothing, how to understand your core colors and how to add in accent colors, part of the whole style program that I offer, as well as me being a fashion designer, bringing in all my different styles and designs and to show you how you can wear it in so many different ways. And for those that sew for themselves, most of my items even have the patterns, so you could make it yourself, make a few tweaks and changes in colors and prints and fabrics that you love. That means that you are dressing that is totally authentic to your personality as well as your lifestyle. So let's get started. Hi, my name is Tania Sutherland and I'm a fashion designer with over 36 years experience sharing styling with you, colors, patterns, refashioning, restyling, all about you wearing everything in your wardrobe. If you love this kind of content, then please don't forget to press the subscribe button. Any comments down below, I would love to connect with you. So here I am wearing a navy pair of harem pants, which is actually one of my yoga patterns. I'll leave the link down below and I'll leave a picture up here so you can see what the pattern looks like. So I wear this to yoga as well as I wear this to any other occasion because I just love the comfort with them and I can wear them with just about anything. It's all about your imagination. So here I am wearing my harem pants with a sequins top, which is also one of my patterns. It is called Beth. I'll leave the link down below. So I made a variety of these little camisoles in different colors because I know it's a style that I love to wear. As well as my harem pants, I have made them in all different colors. I know these harem pants are very versatile to my wardrobe and I can really dress them up and have so much fun and excitement with my wardrobe. So here I am with the harem pants, changing the shoes. By changing the top and changing the shoes, I'm off to yoga. Finding your style is about you making time to discover who you are, what colors, what designs, what sort of fabrics do you love? Do you love plains? Do you love prints? What kind of prints do you like? What are you gravitating to? And the best way to do that is to try on a variety of different colors and designs and styles and take some photographs, creating a little reference library which you can always refer to and go back to it and see which styles look absolutely amazing on you and those that look absolutely crap on you. Then you know which ones to totally avoid. Now already you're spending more time discovering who you are. You are making the effort to learn more about your style because style is a skill. It's not something you're just born with. It's something that evolves with you as you are growing. As you know, we're all going through transformation all the time. Our bodies change, our lives change. You can make your wardrobe so much more versatile and actually having fun with it. You're bringing back that excitement about the way that you dress. It's also bringing back excitement about your life, what it is you want to do, where you're going, where's your future, and your clothes is all part of it. As you know, your style is definitely extension of your personality. So here I have a caftan on, which is a beautiful print, and once again I personally love anything to do with animal prints. And here you can see a bit of a zebra print in the actual fabric and with these beautiful colors of the blues and the grays, which is also my color palette that I absolutely love because I am a cool tone. I'm more of a cool winter. I love the cool shades. So once again, wearing with my harem pants and I'm now wearing my caftan and now it looks like a totally elevated outfit from yoga into more evening. Discovering your style definitely will elevate your self-esteem as well as your self-confidence. So the best way to go about it is to really take some photographs of you trying on different variations of the same garments or same items in your wardrobe. Then maybe just try different variations with adding in extra color or keep it monochromatic. Or whenever you are in doubt, staying in the same color palette of a certain color definitely makes it a lot easier for you to put an outfit together. If you find your clothes are a little bit too plain and you really want to add some of your own authentic sort of designer touch to it, just like I love doing that, I've taken a denim jacket and I have cut out whole lot of lace and applique, and I've stitched it onto my denim jacket. It completely elevates the style from a plain denim jacket into something absolutely more designerish, as well as it is more authentic. No one else will be wearing what I am wearing. So if you are that kind of diva that loves to wear clothes that's totally authentic to your personality, then definitely try to refashion your clothing or add some embellishment to your garments to add that extra flair. Once again, the harem pants with little camisole. I have plenty of these in my wardrobe. I'll leave the link down below. I have the pattern. It is called Beth, as well as my denim jackets. You can make your own as well. It's all about you having fun with your wardrobe, because when you dress up and you make the effort, you absolutely feel more confident. And we all know when you have that kick-ass confidence, you can take on so much more in life. And before you were hesitant and you didn't feel secure enough, or you were doubting yourself, but the minute you change the way that you dress, the way that you feel, it's almost like a magic wand. So give it a try and make some effort. Just make that extra effort of just adding 1% of a difference of your outfit every day. Like in this case, I've added lace and embroidery to my jacket that completely elevated my look.
Thank you, Nick Annie. Please subscribe to the